Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, our today's topic is to study about the ozone layer and why is it important for us. Let's try and understand what is ozone. Ozone is a relatively unstable molecule. It's made up of three oxygen atoms and the molecular formula is O3. Although this ozone represents only a tiny fraction of the atmosphere, this ozone is crucial for life on the earth, or it's very important for the life on earth. And how is this ozone produced or formed naturally in the atmosphere? Let's have a look at this reaction. This is the oxygen molecule O2. So this is the oxygen molecule here. So when the ultraviolet radiations strike or fall on these oxygen molecules, what happens is this oxygen molecule, it splits into two free oxygen atoms. So these are the free oxygen atoms. Since this free oxygen atom, it is unstable, what happens is this free oxygen then combines with other oxygen molecules that are present in the atmosphere, and which leads to the formation of ozone molecule or O3 molecule. So this is how ozone is formed in atmosphere. Before we understand what is ozone layer, we need to understand or we need to just have a look at the layers of our atmosphere. This is our earth here. If we go from level 0 or this ground level to 10 kilometers, like above the ground, so this portion or this layer is called as troposphere, and from 10 to 50 kilometers this layer is called as stratosphere, and from this layer to this point here, this is called as mesosphere, and beyond mesosphere this is called as thermosphere. So these are the layers of the atmosphere. So what is ozone layer? Ozone layer or ozone shield, it's a region of earth's stratosphere that absorbs ultraviolet radiations, or we can say ozone layer is a thin part or thin layer of earth's atmosphere that absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiations that are coming from the sun. So this is the earth. From 0 to 10 kilometers this is troposphere, and from 10 to 50 kilometers this layer is stratosphere. So we need to understand here that ozone is present in the stratosphere, and the main function of this ozone is to absorb ultraviolet radiations that are coming from the sun. All right, so ozone is present naturally in the stratosphere, uh, and some of the ozone is present in troposphere as well, which comes from the man-made sources. So why is this ozone important? Because it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. So most ozone or 90% of the ozone is present in the stratosphere. All right, and it acts as a shield, or you can call it as a wonder umbrella that protects our earth's surface from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. And with the weakening of or with the thinning of this ozone layer, what will happen is we humans would be more susceptible or prone to skin cancer. Thinning of this layer will cause cataract in humans, and it can damage our immune system as well. And the ozone that's present in the troposphere is a harmful pollutant, and which can cause damage to plants and animals as well. So depending on where ozone is present, or depending on where ozone resides, it can either protect us or it can be harmful for life on the earth. So we remember two things here, that if ozone is present in the stratosphere, it is a protective covering, it protects us, it's important for us. And if ozone is present in the troposphere, it acts as a harmful pollutant. So this tropospheric ozone, it comes from, it's a secondary pollutant. That means secondary pollutant is a pollutant that's formed from the primary pollutant, and the secondary pollutant is formed by the interaction of sunlight with hydrocarbons including methane and nitrogen oxides. And that means when hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides are emitted by vehicles, from power plants and other man-made sources, with the interaction of sunlight, these pollutants later on, lead to the formation of ozone. And this tropospheric ozone is, bad for us. We call it as bad ozone because it's a harmful pollutant. And ozone that's present in the stratosphere or stratospheric ozone is, what we call as good ozone, because it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. Now nowadays we are seeing that this tropospheric ozone, this bad ozone, is increasing in the air that we are breathing, and the good ozone that's present in the stratosphere is decreasing. So this decrease or thinning of this stratospheric ozone is called as ozone layer depletion, which would be our next topic. So in our next topic we would study about the ozone layer depletion and what are the causes, factors that lead to the depletion of ozone layer. So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.